What's up everybody, my name is Jayden Garcia and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have 5 banger dropshipping products that you should be selling on your store here in November 2025. Like I told you last month, Q4 is here. We are in the midst of the biggest time of the year of e-commerce, and you'd be absolutely insane not to get started with your dropshipping business today. Now, all the products on today's list are brandable and something you could sell for years to come. They are also based on real ad data, what's currently trending, and something that's currently being scaled by other competitors. So I hope you're ready to lock in. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're somebody who's a complete beginner to dropshipping and you're just looking for some next steps and some guidance on the whole dropshipping process, I want you to go down to the link in the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy, which is my full A to Z dropshipping program. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into product number 1. Now, product number 1 is very winter based, but it can work for any time of the year because in other countries it may be cold, right? But right now is the perfect time to sell this because these are men or women gloves, okay? These are winter gloves, but they're not your ordinary winter gloves. So not only are they non-slip and water resistant, but also you're able to use your phone while having gloves on. If you've ever had winter gloves on and then try to use your phone, you either have to press really hard to use your iPhone or it just doesn't work at all. These fix that. So it comes in different colors. It comes in a black, they come in gray, and I believe they come in other colors as well. This listing doesn't have all the colors, but make sure you have them if you want to sell something like this. But if you just saw 10,000 plus units of this product sold, so there's definitely a demand. There's a 4.9 star rating, and it's fairly inexpensive, and people are going to want to purchase more than one of this product, which is why I really like it. So it says 99-cent welcome deal. You always want to ignore that. It's around $8.50. So 2 units would cost you upwards of $16-17. You can easily do a buy one get one free offer for this and get one for yourself, and then also get one for a friend or for your significant other. Now, the competitor we're going to be checking out is in a different country. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not sure what language this is, but if we scroll down, you'll be able to see their store performance. So this store is doing $1 million a month, but for this specific product, which is the product I just showed you guys, they're doing 10K a day, 100K a week, and $200,000 a month with this product.
Gloves that won't freeze your hands off while you're working outside, these might be it for you. They're thermal heated and insulated, and they also have touch screens so you can use them on your phone at any time. And they have a very soft and warm inside, and they fit pretty snug on your hands. They are on a Black Friday sale right now for cheaper than a tank of gas. Be quick because these will not last long. I'm leaving the link right here.
So as you just saw, that was a fantastic ad. 15 seconds and it went straight to the point. I love how they started their hook of just showing a water bottle going over the actual gloves and the water just falling right off, showing that it was water resistant, and also showing that you can use your phone and that it will keep your hands warm during the winter season. A lot of you guys overthink the ad process. This is all you really need. It explained the product in full in less than 20 seconds. All right, so if we check out the competitor's website, they're calling this tech shopping. Okay, so this is again in a different language. I had it translated, so a little thing, a few things here and there are going to be a little off, but you'll be able to get the gist of how you can actually sell this. So it's just calling this the water repellent thermal gloves with touch, keeps your hands warm and dry, can be used on touchscreens, so on and so forth. They're running a 2-pair, so a double pack, like I told you before. People are going to want to purchase more than one of these, especially if they have kids or if they have a significant other. This is the perfect type of product to do some bundles. What I love about this site is their use of GIFs to showcase their product. A lot of you guys are using too many static images. People want to see the product in action. So as you can see here, showing that it's water resistant and then also warm and breathable, and that you can use your phone with ease. So that's pretty much it for the product page. They have some reviews here on the bottom. I would clean this up. Never have underneath a 4.4, 4.5 star rating. So definitely boost these up. But all in all, this is a fantastic product, something you can build on and add other complementary products. There's vests, there's jackets. You could also just have an entire line of products that are similar to this. So let me know in the comment section if this is a product that you'd be interested in selling. Really quick, I want to show you a Shopify app that I've been using on my stores to help me generate more revenue on each order without having to lift a finger. It's called Captain Shipping Protection. Let me show you how it works. Now, if you've ever dealt with lost or damaged packages, you know how frustrating it can be. You lose time, money, and your customers get upset. So basically how this works is when a customer adds a product to their cart, they're going to see an upsell option here called Shipping Protection that allows them to protect their order for a small fee. So once they click it, it adds it to the total, and then you get paid and the customer feels more at ease knowing that their order is protected and everything else is on autopilot. Inside the dashboard, you can customize your shipping protection pricing. You can do a percentage-based pricing, or you can do a fixed pricing. You can also customize the style of the actual widget by choosing an icon, choosing the color, choosing the actual size, and so much more. And just to be clear, you can put this on the cart page as well as the checkout page, but you can only put it on the checkout page if you are a Shopify Plus user. It also supports over 30 different languages, and it'll automatically convert your currency, so it's perfect for any store. With this app, you can avoid refunds and reshipment losses, even earn extra revenue from the protection fees that the customer pays. So what that means is that you have full control over your shipping protection program. So if a customer ever had a package missing, they can actually file a claim on your branded portal. And once they file that claim, you'll actually be able to see it right here and manage all your claims inside of one clean dashboard. Now, what's crazy is over 60% of customers are actually adding this as an add-on to their order, which is just more money in your pocket and ease of mind for your customers. If you want to try out Captain Shipping Protection on your dropshipping store, I want you to go down to the description or the pinned comment. There's going to be a link there where you can get a risk-free trial to give this a shot. And then if you want to move forward, you can use code Jayden40. That's going to give you 40% off of any of their plans. Now, product number 2 is something that definitely threw me off guard because I'm like, this is actually a problem, but apparently this is a very sensitive problem that women have, okay? So these right here are feminine balance gummies. So basically what these do is you just take them, they're flavored Hawaiian pineapple, okay? And it revitalizes vaginal health. So it basically helps with dryness down there and also the overall odor. So I'm not trying to get demonetized, okay? So I gotta be very careful how I say this. So basically women, when they're having intercourse, are very self-conscious of the smell down there, plus also dryness, okay? So this product solves that, right? So I wasn't even aware that this was like a thing, but it is, and it's making a ton of money. And it reminds me of Manscaped, which is also another company that has very edgy marketing. So it's just a trimmer, but they target men and body and groin hair. So a lot of their marketing is very edgy. They say a lot of bold statements and things like that, and it attracts a lot of people to keep watching the videos, which makes them go more viral. And this is very similar. So let's just check out the data, okay? So the company we're gonna be checking out is called GlowMe. As you can see, they are doing $5,964 a day, $40K a week, and $167,000 a month with this product.
I got them. These are the Vital Source Feminine Balance Gummies, and they keep our girl down there healthy and strong. First of all, they smell absolutely amazing, and they taste even better. I actually started taking these gummies about a few weeks ago, and both my boyfriend and I have noticed a huge difference in my girl down there. Just knowing that he noticed a huge difference boosted my confidence like no other. I hate to say it, but the girlies were right. If you start to take these gummies, there's a 99% chance that your boo thing will become even more obsessed. Moral of the story, if you're a girl, you need to be taking these gummies.
So as you just saw from the video ad, very straight to the point, and you can tell like you can get really edgy as far as the marketing, but that's one of their best performing videos. And this is the website right here. So they're doing a buy one, get one free. They're doing a buy two, get two free, and a buy three, get three free, which is a fantastic offer. These are all very affordable prices. Their product and images are fantastic. I really loved how they branded this and took basically what's on AliExpress and brought it to life and made it like super branded. And they're claiming that within 21 days, you will actually be able to see some sort of transformation. They have like an expert section. I'm not even sure if these are real people or not. I have no clue, but it kind of just gives it like that it's clinically proven kind of thing, okay? And then also, only knock on their site that I would say is their review section, okay? There's no like image reviews of the specific product. They're all text reviews. So keep that in mind when you're selling products, is that you want to see real people with your product. So product number 3 is something that solves an insecurity for men. So as you can see, these types of products are all problem-solving products that solve insecurities. It's going to be really easy to sell, okay? So this right here is a beard pen filler, okay? So if you're somebody that has a lighter beard, okay, so something like this, you can actually take the marker and fill it in and it'll look something like this, okay? So this is for men that don't have very full beards, or maybe they just want to do a little bit of touch-up work to get a more fuller looking beard. There's over 10,000 units sold of this product, so you know that there's demand, and you know that there's millions of people out there that have beards that would like something like this. So just make sure that you have all the colors, okay? So black, brown, obviously people have different colored beards, so you're gonna need a pen to support those colors. We're never doing any guesswork, guys. It's always based on the data. So as you can see right here, the site we're gonna be checking out is called Pasino Products. And if you check this out, they're doing $5,000 a day, $38,000 a week, and $179,000 a month. Hopping into the competitor's video ad, as you can see right here, it says watch to the end. You can see his beard is a little light, and then he goes ahead and uses the marker to go ahead and fill it in. It's a very straightforward product, but before and afters are going to be very key, especially on your product page. So if we check out the competitor's website, they're calling this the beard pencil filler and brush, so it comes with a brush as well. They're doing it for $14.99 for one unit. Okay, that's why it's really important that you do a bundle of some sort, so that way you can charge more. Or if you only do a one-time purchase, there needs to be a shipping fee on the back end. Now, one of the biggest pieces of advice that I can give you for any product that you test is to try to have some sort of subscription on the back end. You can set this up with a Shopify app called Seal Subscriptions. So basically, if they choose this, they get a discount and they could get deliveries every week, every month, so on and so forth. But that's reoccurring revenue in your pocket each and every single month without you having to acquire a new customer. So it's a great way to be able to make more money. But their product page is very simple. It's short, straight to the point. There's a bunch of videos here from TikTok showing people using the product. They also have other products as well. I believe this guy is actually a barber. So they have a bunch of different like straight razors and shampoos and things like that. And then to end it off, they have a ton of different reviews. So this is a product that is fantastic. Definitely something you could sell year round, create a full-fledged brand around, because this is an insecurity that men will always have. So product number 4 is something I'm very familiar with because I've sold millions of dollars in supplements. Now, obviously this isn't a supplement, but it's kind of in the same sector, and I know that these products work. Okay, so this right here is their GLP-1 patches. Okay, so basically you put the patch on and it helps you lose weight. So basically it suppresses your appetite. You're not as hungry. You don't eat as much. You're going to lose weight. Okay. And the company I'm going to show you is making a ton of money off of this product. So that's basically all it is. It's a weight loss patch, right? Basically like kind of like a pimple patch. You put the patch on a pimple and it goes away. Same kind of thing, but for weight loss. Now, as you can see, there's 1,000+ units sold, and there's way more than that. Okay. But there's a proof of concept here, and you're going to get it in a 30 patch set. So you can basically do like a 1-month supply, a 2-month supply, 3-month supply, so on and so forth. So as always, let's go ahead and check out the revenue. So right now they're doing about $300 a day, $3,500 a week, and $28K a month with this product alone. And this is not even the biggest brand. I've shown this product on a previous top 5, so I wanted to show another brand. So again, there's multiple companies that are doing well with this product. So this is an example of an ad that's very simple, but works. So as you can see, if I start it over, it's just basically a timeline. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, etc. Basically showing her wearing the patch and losing weight. That's it. Very easy to understand and show that it works. And if we check out the competitor's website, the company's called Puretopia. They're calling this the GLP-1 patch, and they have tons of different before and afters. Their product images are very branded, showing people with their product in hand. Now, I want to bring your attention to right here. Like I told you in the beginning of this video, that the biggest piece of advice I can give you is having a subscribe and save for products like this, or just any product that you test, because acquiring new customers each and every single time, ad costs have only risen. Right? So you want to have a way to have reoccurring revenue on the back end. So that way you don't have to always rely on acquiring new customers. You can keep the customers that you currently have. So they have tons of social proof, top rated by health experts on all of these different media sites. All in all, this isn't the greatest looking store. You could definitely make something 20 times better than this. I believe they're using the Shrine theme, so I know that this is a dropshipping brand. But again, a fantastic product, another product that solves a major insecurity, and something that you can sell year round and create a full-fledged brand. Now, the final product on today's list is this woman's hair dryer brush, okay? And I love products like this because there's so many different variations, and that's just because it works. Women are always trying to try the next new hair or beauty tool, okay? And this basically does brushing and drying all in one, okay? So as you can see, here's the brush. There's an on-off switch. You can put it on low, medium, high, and basically as you brush your hair, it will also dry your hair at the same time. There's a 4.9 star rating, letting you know that the product is actually something that works. Has 126 reviews, but the product that I'm going to be showing, or the company I'm going to be showing you, is doing tons of money with this specific product, just in a different color. answer. And also what I love about these products, the product cost is $25.23, but depending on how you brand this, you can charge 3-4x plus that, okay? So for example, there's a company called Beach Waver. They sell a hair straightening tool. Probably getting that product for maybe 20 bucks in bulk, right? And they're selling it for $200, okay? So these type of products, you can really up the price depending on your branding. So this product is literally the exact same thing, just in a different color. They're doing $267K a day and $2 million a month with this product. So the video ad says, tired of the long process of drying and styling your hair, which is a problem that women have and why they would want to purchase this product. I've checked out a couple of competitors and all of their video ads are pretty similar to this, okay? So basically just dries and styles your hair, just another beauty tool that women can try. And it's definitely something that's extremely valuable. So most women will just have to wait until their hair is dry to then brush it out. You can do both at the same time. Now, you always want to make sure that you have a currency converter on your site. This company doesn't have one, so we're just going to have to look at the pricing like this. But as you can see, here's the product right here. They have tons of high quality images on their site, showcasing the product, how it works, the heating settings, so on and so forth. They also have tons of different videos of people using the product. As you can see, there's different colors. This one's very similar to the one that I showed you here on AliExpress. But what I love about what they're doing is that they make it really easy to understand how to use the product and how it's going to work. So they have a step-by-step guide right here, but they're also doing an easy 1-year replacement warranty, which is great for especially electronic type of products. You could be easily charging like a $10 or $15, whatever you want, for a warranty upsell. And that could be free money in your pocket because most people are probably not going to even use that warranty in the first place. So it's an easy way to, again, boost that average order value. That wraps up the top 5 winning dropshipping products of November 2025. I hope you guys took some value from this video. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And if you found something on this list that you want to test, my recommendation is that you take action this week. Because if you wait weeks on weeks on weeks to test products that you find, that's probably one of the reasons why you haven't found a winning dropshipping product yet, because everything in dropshipping is speed. How fast can you find a product and bring it right to the market? Anyways, I wish you guys nothing but the best and success with your dropshipping businesses. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys give me on these videos. It really keeps me motivated to keep going and keep pushing these out for you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.